Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In this video, we'll see the recipe of super quick and delicious as well as healthy Sooji Uttapam. Let's get started. To make the batter, we need 1 cup Sooji or Rava, 1/4 cup whole wheat flour, that is Gehun ka aata, 1/4 cup Dahi. This Dahi is not sweet, it's just plain Dahi, plain curd. Add some salt as per taste. If you are not sure about the amount of salt, then what you can do, first prepare the batter by adding water and then later add salt. So I'm adding water gradually. Around 1 cup water would be needed to make this batter. The batter should be of medium consistency. The measuring cups and spoons I use have 1 cup equal to 240 ml. Once you're done mixing the batter, you need to let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. If you have more time, you can let it rest for 30 minutes also. For the vegetable mix, take half cup grated carrot, 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion, 1/4 cup finely chopped coriander, 1 to 2 finely chopped green chilies, 1 finely chopped tomato. I'm using a medium-sized tomato here. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. You may add ginger paste, but it's very quick and simple to grate ginger. Mix these vegetables well and set these aside. Just before making the uttapam, add salt to these. Otherwise, these may lose a lot of water. Let's move to the batter. The batter has been resting for 15 minutes and it has thickened a bit. Just before making the uttapams, add 1/4 teaspoon soda. This is our regular meetha soda which we use to make pakoras and also use for cake, also known as baking soda. Give it a stir for 10 to 15 seconds only in one direction. Heat your tawa, heat it well. I'm using a non-stick tawa here. Apply some oil to your tawa and wipe it off using a cotton cloth. Gently spread the batter, do not spread it a lot like your regular dosa. Top it with vegetables, the vegetables which we had kept aside. Add a little ghee or oil. I love using ghee in this recipe. Once it becomes slightly golden, flip it. You don't need to cook these vegetables a lot. If these remain crunchy, it's okay. Carrots, tomato, onion, they taste good even if they remain slightly raw. In fact, they taste better. Wipe off the excess oil or ghee and repeat the same steps to make uttapams. With this recipe, you will be able to make 7 to 8 such uttapams. This recipe is very simple, turns out delicious and is healthy as well. You can also add your choice of vegetables like corn, crushed peas, mushrooms. You can also add egg to this. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!